students, it's me, Miss Ventura, and today we're going to attempt to cut lines with scissors. Last week we cut lines of paper like this into smaller pieces, but today we're going to try to cut a longer line. So, we've been studying line, and you've put lines in your body, you've drawn lines, and maybe today you'll dance those lines again. But on your paper, your sentence says, I can cut lines with scissors. So we're going to attempt that today. Let's review scissor safety. Remember, scissors cut paper only. Say that with me. Scissors cut paper only. Good job. The big hole is for all my fingers, and the small hole is for my thumb. That's right. Everybody give me a thumbs up. Nice job. So my thumb's in the small hole, my fingers are in the big hole, and I bring my elbow in. Now, I'm going to attempt to try to cut on each line. But what if I mess up? That's okay. Remember, we're learning. So we'll do this lots this year, and we'll get better every time we do it. Let's see how Miss Ventura does. I'm going to first start on the straight line, and I'm going to cut all the way across. So I'm going to open and close, and open again. And watch, my scissors are going to wiggle their way to the end until I can't get any further, and then I'm going to cut again. So wiggle those scissors in, cut again. So I'm open and close. This goes slow. If you only use the tip of your scissors, that's not a very sharp part of the scissors, so it may tear your paper. And you never want to pull your scissors away, or that will tear your paper. We want to cut, and cutting is different than tearing. So here I go, and there it goes. Now, when I'm ready for the next line, I'm going to have to turn my paper. Remember our song? Cut, 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 C-U-T, 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 cut, 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 C-U-T, cut, cut, C-U-T. I'm going to keep my scissors straight ahead, straight ahead, straight ahead, and turn the paper around instead when I cut, cut, C-U-T. So we don't want to see you moving your scissors, because look, then my elbow's out of place. I keep my scissors in the same spot, but I turn my paper instead. Watch me do the zigzag line. I'm going to start on the line, keeping my scissors in the same spot, and I'm going to open and close, turn it, open and close, turn it, open and close. And this just takes some practice. So since Miss Ventura has been doing this for years and years, I can go pretty fast. I don't expect you to go fast because you're learning. And we don't want to rush art anyway. Your job today is to cut all, I believe there's 6 lines on your paper. Mine might look a little different than yours. And the straight lines are going to be easier than the curved and the zigzag lines. But I want you to give it your best effort to stay right on top of that line with your scissors. And notice my scissors have not moved. They stay in the same spot, and my paper is moving. Now the dotted line right there, you see that a lot when you do cut. So that'll be just a straight line up. When you are done with cutting all the lines on your paper, I'd like for you to raise your hand, and while you're waiting on a teacher, you can grab all your pieces together like this, because we're going to staple them for you. And once we staple them together, you'll have a book of the lines that you created. You may use a pencil to practice writing your name, or you may draw new lines on top of your line book while you wait. Good luck cutting lines today.